Today we're going to work on Frankie, another Fox Body video. Finally, I told you we got some coming, and there's a lot more as the weather gets warmer. It is January 10th, very oddly warm here in Utah. There's no snow. It's a really strange year, but what that does is give me the opportunity to work on this. Last year when I took Frankie up to a car show, I was guessing on how much fuel was in it. I have already replaced the fuel sending unit, and I've also replaced the gauge, and it's still not working right. My money is on the fuel sending unit. It is bad and never was good to begin with. I have done a video on this already where we did the pump as well, but I wanted to do this video again. In the last video I removed the whole tank, and I did that because it needed a seal on the side. There were some other things that it needed. I'll put a link to that video up here in case you guys want to check that out. I got this on Amazon. I want to say 30 bucks. Maybe I got ripped off. We'll see. By the way, I have no videos showing you how wonky it is. You're gonna have to believe me. And then you're also gonna have to believe me that this works, because I have no idea how much gas is in there. So basically what I'm telling you is this video is just showing you how to do it. Whether or not it actually fixes my problem, I don't know. We're going to be rolling with the old Daytona stuff today. Those are my brand new jack stands. I've also got some 3 tons right there, and I'm going to tell you what, I got a coupon that I think I may go over and get a couple more of these 6 tons, because man, they're nice. Well, here we are underneath Frankie's here, and I just want to show you. This is what I call the fast method of getting these changed out. And what I do here, raise a jack on this side. Now you can see it coming into the picture. I just keep me a jack right in this area. There's a little flat spot right here. We're just going to leave that right there. The tank is held up by 2 straps. There's one here and one here. And as you can tell, mine are in really poor shape, but they're holding it up, so we're going to leave them for now. We got to remove this bolt, which goes to the strap, and there is no bolt back here for the strap. There's just a hinge. Boy, that's in great shape. Look at that. Every time I touch this, I've said before in some videos that I think Frankie went down with the Titanic, and there's a possibility. But back to the story, we need to undo that bolt, and then there's another one right here. Same story on this. This also hinges over here. And then what we've got is right, where is it? Right here we've got the pipe that goes into the side of the tank. That there is the rubber seal that I have already replaced. If you want to know how to do that, I think it's in my other video that I posted earlier. I will also put it down in the description. It's fairly easy to install. When you install this pipe in here, it just pushes straight in, and if you coat this pipe with motor oil, it will slide right in. I always just put 10W30 on it and it slides right in. What are we looking at? Those look like maybe halves. It's always important to put some glasses on that you can't see out of. So I've already done that. My guess is a half. Okay, that's what she is. I'm going to attempt to use my 1/4 inch impact. I don't know, we'll see. This isn't my newest one, but we'll see if it works. Nope. Use the old muscles. Are we being serious with each other right now? Holy Lord. We might be getting big impact on this thing. Okay, we got my 1/2 inch impact. This is my buddy right here. I've had this for a while. It's been dropped a million times. she is. Ooh-wee. She was in there. Alright, now we're just going to move right to this one. This one's way easier than the other one. Okay. So the tank right now is only being held up by the jack and the filler neck pipe. And that's what we want. We're going to allow it to hinge down. All right, so now all I'm going to do is lower the jack, and we're going to get it to a point where we can get access to this thing. I have no idea how much gas is even in this thing. It wants to come backwards a smidge, so I'm going to let it. Uh-oh. Stay. She's pretty full. If you're looking for a really clean specimen for a Fox body, I suggest you go check out Sleazy's garage, because this is a lot cleaner than this one. But there's also a very much cleaner one next to me here. Right there. That one is far better than this as far as being nice. What I like to use for this is, a long time ago my wife bought this screwdriver set for me. I still believe they sell them at Harbor Freight, but I'll tell you what, they make a heck of a chisel. And then I just got a little normal, damn it, little framing hammer. That's all we're going to be using here. Hope the hell she don't start leaking. This harness right here, and you just kind of push on this and this little tab right here and pull on it at the same time. You just like so. Get that out of our way. Then you can just take your screwdriver, and this is lefty loosey, righty tighty, just like a regular screw. She's pretty full. Yeah, too much gas. Piss. Partially thinking about siphoning some gas out of this thing real quick. I think that's what I'm going to do. Alright, so I have this Harbor Freight siphon. It's actually what I've siphoned gas out of this thing before with. It works very well. I also have my fiver sitting right there. I'm going to shove this down the tank. This is extremely hard to bend right now because of how cold it is outside. This could turn into a fun little number. Alright, I'm hoping that we'll get down in there far enough to reach the fuel, and it doesn't seem like it.
A few moments later.
Yeah, I got about 2 gallons out of it. Roughly, I don't know, something like that. Unfortunately, that's all it wants to give up today. I don't know. I think this hose is just not pliable enough. It keeps kinking up. Maybe I need to replace the hose or just buy a whole new siphon deal. But we're going to lower this down. Try to not go as low as we did before and see what we can do. To give you guys the best angle I can. Hopefully this doesn't leak. If it does, then I'm definitely not finishing this project today. Take her up just a skosh. Not, yeah. Oh, can you guys see that now or not? Okay, I just took it up with skosh and it's not leaking. I don't think. Okay, just a little bit more, I guess. Godfrey's. Come on, baby, don't leak. Quit leaking. Oh, sweet. You just got to kind of snake this thing around. Here's our new one here. There's two tabs on this, right here, and then another one straight across from it right here. Those have some grooves in the hole up there that they need to go in, and it goes towards the back of the car. Those tabs do. And before we do this, it might be a good idea to change out this seal. Where the hell is it? Come on. All right, I don't have any problem whatsoever using this ring here because it's new. Just need to make sure it's all the way in the groove, and it is. Yeah, let's maneuver this. And then put it like this, and then like so. Right there. You just got to get those tabs in the right spot. The nice thing about this being full is I'm going to be able to lower it down and see if it leaks. Oh, geez, I can't see. I think she's all the way in. Let's lower this down and see if it leaks. Not thinking so. Got everything seated right. I'm going to get some brake clean and spray that so we can dry it off real fast. And I'm going to put a little dielectric grease on this real quick. Okay, we're just trying to keep contaminants and whatever out of there. And if you remember right, this thing actually spins and turns backwards to snap in. Okay. I'm just trying to mop up any of this crap, make sure it's not leaking. I don't believe it is, but right now is the time to check. It looks absolutely perfect, guys. And we're gonna go back up in Alright, we're going to start by putting this strap up here first. Let me tell you, now this is always my favorite part of doing this damn thing, is getting these all to line back up. She might not be able to take them out, but she can damn well put them in. All right, so you got these two lines right here. Just be sure that you're not pinching those, because it is possible to pinch those right there. It's amazing how fast these stupid straps get out of shape just by being undone. Come on, baby. All right, we're in. About all we got left to do is get the crap out of here. So I turn around, look at the camera. While I was under there, I was looking for my glasses and I couldn't find them. And finally, I just decided to proceed with what I was doing. They're right there the whole time. Sounds about right.
Like a neon glow when I rolled up slow, 5.0 in tow. She said, nice car, can I take a ride? But I could tell she wasn't talking about me inside. She only wants my Fox body, not my heart.